We all know privacy in the bigger sense of the word because we all use shower curtains. We all don't like our neighbours looking through our windows, so we use curtains. And we don't like people rummaging through our drawers in our bedrooms. It takes a bigger context when you consider the state. For example, we don't like police entering into our homes without a valid reason and searching our homes or searching our person or searching our vehicles. So privacy has a very large scope. Privacy in relation to personal information has a very narrow scope. It generally talks about information that can identify an individual. For example, a name or an address or an identity number of sorts or a medical health number. Privacy in relation to personal information has different names around the world. In Europe, it's called data protection. In South Africa, it's called the Protection of Personal Information, otherwise known as the POPI Act. Around the globe, it is also known as privacy or data privacy. Privacy and data privacy is protected in South Africa from the Constitution in section 14, which protects the privacy, not just the data privacy, of all citizens and guarantees it in the Constitution, and also requires that Parliament passes laws to protect people's privacy. One of those laws is the Protection of Personal Information Act. This act sets out the conditions under which people can process your personal information. We all know the frustration of somebody contacting us without our permission to try and sell us things, whether it's by SMS or telephone call or sending us spam emails. That frustration is caused by people not managing and dealing with our personal information correctly. The Privacy Act, POPI, requires that 8 conditions must be met for people who are processing the personal information, which means any business or company that processes people's personal information, whether they are customers, whether they are employees, will have to make sure that they properly comply with POPI Act.